Do you believe it? Just a single slice of orange, when paired with a very familiar kitchen ingredient, can help fade dark spots, reduce pigmentation, and noticeably brighten the skin in a short time. It sounds unbelievable, but this has been confirmed by many medical studies. Oranges are rich in vitamin C and natural citric acid, which have antioxidant properties, even out skin tone, and stimulate collagen production. I remember visiting an old friend in my hometown. She used to have dull skin with many dark spots. But when I saw her again, her skin was surprisingly bright, rosy, and smooth. It turned out she had simply been using orange slices combined with one simple ingredient a few times a week, both as a topical mask and as a drink. No expensive cosmetics, no complicated treatments, yet the results were long-lasting and safe. Today, I'm going to share this dual care formula, nourishing from the outside and the inside, so that anyone can make it at home. Be sure to watch until the end, because skipping even one small step can reduce the effectiveness a lot. Before we start, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos from LiveWell every day. In every video, I share friendly, easy to understand tips to help you care for your health and beauty naturally, safely, without fuss, and without spending much. If you've ever tried beauty treatments with oranges, or if you have any questions, leave a comment below so I can answer and accompany you on your journey to long-lasting skin and health. Wishing you good health, peace, and that every morning you wake up with a body full of energy and a bright smile. To understand why a simple orange combined with sugar and aloe vera can bring so many benefits to both your skin and your overall health, I think it's best if we dive deeper into each ingredient. Once you understand how they work, you'll see this formula is not just an old folk remedy, it has clear scientific backing. Dear friends, if you want to make this face mask, the first thing we need to talk about is the orange, a fruit that seems so common yet holds countless valuable nutrients. In 100 grams of fresh orange, the vitamin C content can reach 50 to 60 milligrams. According to the World Health Organization, an adult needs about 65 to 90 milligrams of vitamin C daily to maintain a strong immune system and youthful skin. Vitamin C is not only a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, the culprits behind cell damage and accelerated aging, but is also essential for collagen synthesis. As you know, collagen makes up about 70% of skin structure, determining firmness, elasticity, and smoothness. Without enough vitamin C, collagen production slows, causing sagging skin, wrinkles, and pigmentation over time. On top of that, vitamin C inhibits the enzyme tyrosinase, an enzyme involved in melanin production, helping fade dark spots, reduce pigmentation, and create a more even skin tone. Oranges also contain citric acid, an organic acid from the AHA group, with just the right concentration to gently exfoliate. Citric acid works by loosening the bonds between dead skin cells, removing the hardened outer layer and built-up oil. Dermatological studies have shown that AHAs like citric acid not only smooth the skin's surface but also promote the rise of healthy new cells. That's why, when applied regularly and correctly, oranges can make the skin brighter and smoother after just a few uses. Next is sugar, an ingredient that may seem simple but plays a clear role in skincare. In this formula, sugar acts as a physical exfoliant. The tiny granules, when gently massaged, help lift off dead cells stuck on the skin's surface, making it clearer and more breathable. This massage also stimulates blood circulation under the skin, giving it a rosy, radiant glow. Interestingly, sugar contains a small amount of natural glycolic acid, an AHA known to smooth the skin and increase nutrient absorption after exfoliation. When combined with orange juice, sugar crystals gradually dissolve, reducing the risk of scratches and creating a gentler feel. If done correctly and gently, this method is safe and suitable for most healthy skin types. Finally, aloe vera, a plant praised in both traditional and modern medicine for skincare. Fresh aloe gel contains over 75 active compounds, with the standout being polysaccharides, complex sugars that have exceptional water retention ability, keeping skin hydrated for long periods. Aloe vera also provides vitamin E and vitamin C, two powerful antioxidants that neutralize free radicals and protect skin cells from environmental damage. It's also rich in amino acids, essential for tissue regeneration and repairing skin structure after damage. Most notably, aloe vera gel contains compounds like aloin and allosin. Studies show that aloin helps soothe inflammation and reduce burning sensations, while allosin inhibits overactive tyrosinase activity, the cause of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, thus helping to even out skin tone. Another important point is that aloe vera gel is made up of 99% water, which means that when applied to the skin, it instantly creates a cooling sensation, delivering deep hydration right away. This makes the skin softer and reduces dryness or tightness after exfoliation. Because of this property, aloe vera acts as a protective cushion in the formula, helping to balance out the exfoliating effects of orange and sugar, so that the skin is both renewed and nourished safely. When these three ingredients are combined, they create a perfectly balanced formula, each one playing its own role but also complementing and supporting the others. Orange and sugar work together to gently remove the layer of dead skin cells, making the skin's surface brighter and smoother while stimulating its natural regeneration process. Meanwhile, aloe vera serves as a soft cushion, deeply hydrating, soothing, and restoring the skin's natural protective barrier. This is exactly the kind of dual care that dermatologists call exfoliate and hydrate, exfoliating and moisturizing at the same time, helping the skin to be renewed, nourished, and protected in a single step. Dear friends, here's how to make it for the best results. First, take about 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh juice from a ripe, juicy orange. Mix it with 1 tablespoon of fine granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of pure aloe vera gel. Choose fresh oranges because that's when their vitamin C and citric acid are at their peak, helping brighten skin and stimulate cell regeneration. Fine sugar will gently remove old keratin without scratching the skin, while fresh aloe vera should be peeled thoroughly and have all the yellow latex removed to ensure safety. Then scoop out the cool gel and mix it in. Once the ingredients are blended, you'll have a light, smooth mixture that's perfect for massaging onto the skin. After cleansing your face, apply the mixture gently, moving in circular motions from the bottom upward and from the inside out. You'll immediately feel the coolness from the aloe vera, the gentle citrus scent from the orange, and the tiny sugar granules working to lift away dead cells. Around 30 seconds to 1 minute per area is enough. No need to scrub harshly. Then, leave the mixture on your skin for another 5 to 10 minutes so the vitamin C, citric acid, and nutrients from the aloe vera have time to penetrate deeply and nourish each cell. Finally, rinse with cool water, pat dry with a soft towel, and apply a layer of moisturizer to lock in all the goodness you've just given your skin. If doing this in the daytime, always remember to apply sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher, because after exfoliation, your skin will be more sensitive to sunlight. That's all it takes for your skin to be cleansed, hydrated, and noticeably brighter and smoother after each session. In addition to using oranges for external skincare, I always recommend nourishing from the inside as well, because truly healthy, beautiful skin starts with daily diet and lifestyle. Today, I'll share a very simple yet effective drink recipe: honey orange water. The ingredients are easy to find: 1 fresh, juicy orange, about 200 milliliters of cool filtered water, and 1 tablespoon of pure honey. Choose an orange that's just ripe with a fresh, glossy peel, because that's when vitamin C and organic acids like citric acid are at their highest. For honey, use raw, pure honey to preserve its natural enzymes, antioxidants, and minerals, maximizing its health benefits. The method is extremely simple. First, squeeze all the juice from the orange into a clean glass. Next, add 200 milliliters of cool filtered water to dilute it, making the flavor gentler and easier to drink. Then, add 1 tablespoon of pure honey and stir until fully dissolved. If you'd like to enhance the flavor and benefits, you can add a few fresh mint leaves for a refreshing touch or a few thin slices of ginger to aid digestion and warm the body. Nutritionally, this drink combines the vitamin C from the orange with the nutrients from honey. Vitamin C is a water-soluble antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, supports collagen production to maintain skin firmness and elasticity, and boosts the immune system. Honey adds flavonoid and polyphenol antioxidants along with minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, key factors in maintaining heart health and a strong immune system. This combination is not only great for the skin but also helps combat fatigue, improve mood, and support digestion. The best time to drink this is in the morning after a meal or in the mid-afternoon. Drinking it in the morning gives your body an early boost of energy and nutrients, helping you feel more alert and focused for the day. Having it in the mid-afternoon provides a light energy lift, reduces fatigue, and keeps your skin nourished from within. Note that you shouldn't drink it on a completely empty stomach, especially if you have gastritis, because the acid in oranges can irritate the stomach lining. Also, avoid having more than 2 glasses a day to prevent consuming too much sugar, even if it's natural sugar from fruit and honey. You know, keeping your skin and overall health youthful doesn't require overly complicated secrets. Besides natural care methods like the one I've shared today, there are a few very simple habits that I consider golden rules and practice daily. Take sleep. For example, I always try to get 7 to 8 hours of quality rest, because that's when the body truly relaxes and begins repairing and restoring the skin from the day's wear and tear. A good night's sleep is like a natural recovery treatment. Wake up the next morning and your skin will look fresher, smoother, and more radiant. Then there's water. You've probably heard this countless times, but it's true. When your body is dehydrated, your skin is the first to show it. Dry, dull, and lifeless. I make it a habit to sip water throughout the day, keeping my skin plump and my body light and detoxified. Diet is just as important. I prioritize fresh vegetables and fruits in every meal, not just because they taste good, but because they're rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These are the silent guardians that protect your skin from the effects of time and environmental stress. And one thing I never skip: sun protection. Whether it's blazing sunny or overcast, UV rays are always there, quietly breaking down your skin's collagen. Applying sunscreen, wearing a hat, and using protective clothing aren't inconveniences. They're the way I preserve my youth for the long run. Lastly, I exfoliate regularly, once or twice a week, so the new skin layer can breathe and absorb nutrients more effectively. Just like cleaning dust from a house to keep it bright, your skin also needs to be renewed to stay healthy and beautiful. So, with just 1 orange, you now have not only a gentle exfoliating recipe but also a nourishing drink to care for yourself from the inside. I hope you'll try it today and share your feedback with me so we can celebrate together. If you found my sharing helpful, please hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe to live well every day. I wish you good health and peace, so that every morning you wake up feeling just a bit younger than yesterday, and much happier. Goodbye, my dear friends, and I'll see you in the next video.